Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So here we have a Google Home Mini. Okay Google, say hello.
Hi, what can I do for you?
Nothing.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I waited to turn it off. So this device is very cheap. It costs about $30. You can get it even cheaper on different selling events like Black Friday. Personally, I paid for it about $25 and I got it in 2019. So I've used it for 1 year, over 1 year, and I have to say that it is useful. I'm using it pretty much every day for basic stuff like to start a timer and to set an alarm and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not, and also I'm using it for white noise, which I'm a fan. When I'm at home, I usually just run some white noise. So once you get the device, you will want to install Google Home. You actually need to install this app because you can manage it from your phone. You can give it a name. I like to name it Mother just because I'm a fan of the movie Alien, if you know the movie from 1979, I think. The motherboard robot was called Mother, but sadly I cannot call it Mother. You'd have to say all the time, okay Google. Okay, and after you set it up, you can just talk to it. And lately, with the latest update, Google has created routines which I found useful, and I'm just gonna show you a few commands that I find quite useful and I'm using them daily or quite often. So let's see. Okay Google, small break.
Alright, 4 minutes. And we're starting now.
Okay Google, cancel.
Okay, consider it canceled.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, so if you say thank you, it will turn off right away, so it will not listen and maybe uh, register your commands wrong. So it is useful to set timers. This is a routine that I've actually set. It's called small break, and when I say small break, start timer 4 minutes. So this is just a command line that I can write, and when I say small break, it will automatically detect this command line and it will start the timer, the 4 minutes timer. What other things I'm using is breakfast. This is also a timer, so when I'm boiling my breakfast eggs, I have an 11 minutes timer and I say start timer 11 minutes, but I actually say okay Google breakfast.
Sure, an 11-minute timer called stats. And that's starting now.
Okay Google cancel.
Got it, I canceled it.
Thank you.
You got it.
Okay, other things, I just set the alarm in the evening, like okay Google, wake me up to tomorrow at 8.
Done. Your alarm's set for tomorrow at 8 a.m.
Okay Google, cancel the alarm.
Alright, it's canceled.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Other things, it's when I say good morning, it will auto start the white noise that I like to hear all the time. Oh, okay, Google, good morning.
Hi, Christian, you got this.
Okay, Google, increase the volume. So as you can hear, it's a white noise, and I also have set two more. I've set some routines, which is forest and ocean. So when I say ocean, okay Google, ocean. So it will make an ocean sound. Okay Google, forest. So it will play some bird sounds and something that you usually hear in a forest. And of course the one that I use the most, okay Google, white. Which is the normal white noise. So to set for example the ocean routine, it's basically just a line of command. So when I say ocean, and I can just write the what I would usually just say to it. So play ocean sound. So it will understand and play ocean sound right away. Another routine that I've set up also with my smart light, which is when I say good night, it will play some fireplace sound. So let's see. Okay Google, good night.
Good night, Christian.
So it has set the light to red and it's playing some fireplace sound. Usually I just listen to this for maybe 1 minute and then just say okay Google, stop. And to turn the light to normal, I say okay Google, lights normal. Okay. What other things I'm using? Well, these are the most basic commands. You can also listen to Spotify, but I'm not using that. I had 3 months of premium service, but if I want to listen music, I'm just setting from my laptop or computer, so I'm not listening from the Google Home, but it is very useful for those white noises. So these are routines. So yeah, other than these commands, I'm not really using anything else. I guess these are very useful and probably anyone can use them. You can also say, okay Google, increase the volume.
This is the definition of increase.
Okay Google, stop. Okay Google, increase the volume. Okay Google, hello.
Hi, how can I help?
Decrease the volume. Okay Google, play white sound.
Choosing songs is only available to Spotify.
Okay Google, white. So it will play the the white noise at a lower volume, and if I want to increase it, I say, okay Google, increase the volume. Increase the volume.
The volume's at 3.
Decrease the volume. Okay Google, stop. Thank you. Okay, so you can also control the volume like this. Now if you buy a smart bulb, you can also control the lights with it. You can use, as you see here, I have the light connected and pair with the Google Home, and it's very convenient to just control the light by voice, like, okay Google, lights off. Okay Google, lights on. Okay Google, lights green. So you might think that this is expensive, but a light bulb like this costs about $20, so it's quite cheap. And it's not very hard to use. I also have a video for the light bulb, how to use it with your Google Home. Okay Google, lights normal. So yeah, these are the most used commands that I'm using. I found myself that when I'm working and maybe I want to make some calculations, sometimes I'm just asking it like how much is 10% from 100, or sometimes when I'm watching a movie and I want to know something from the movie or about an actor, I'm just asking Google, like, okay Google, how old is Robert De Niro?
Robert De Niro is 77 years old.
Thank you.
That's what I'm here for.
Okay, so you actually find out right away how old is that actor, so you don't have to go to your computer or on your phone and just type and search. You can just ask it. You can pretty much ask any question. Most of the time it works, and it's quite useful. So I definitely recommend a Google Home. As I said, it is very cheap and very easy to use. It can be useful, and after a while you get used to it, and it will just become like a normal thing to use. So if you have any questions, if you have other commands that you think are useful, please share them in the comments. Please subscribe if you found the video useful, and thank you for watching.